Your boy is back playing Bedwars again. Hopefully we can get the new... Whoa, that's way more expensive than I thought. Open Eyes Flying Death Machine. Well, guys, isn't that just a wonderful description? And I just spent all my iron blocks. Blocks are good, but I literally bought 80 of them at the start of the game. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Trinity kit uses. Sure. Team is that BT. Wow! How'd he kill me? Okay, that was weird. That guy being toxic? Nah. We don't allow toxic people. Who is this kid? Whoa! Oh my god, this is Kabla. I don't know how to say it. Forgot to turn off tab. Wait, how many kills does? Okay. Oh shoot. No, I can't move. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Yep, we are being chased. Oh my god, these people! Did he die? Let's go. Okay. At least that team's not chasing me. We need to take this emerald to the chest. Bruh, why are green and blue being so toxic in the chat? Really saying L to each other. Okay, man's gonna get all my Wait, what? He was. Something was wrong with my mouth. Sorry. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I killed him. Die, bro. Huh? Okay, he died. Excuse me, I do not have 0 kills. I had 3 kills. Something is wrong with this. In my latest Bedwars video, this also happened. Yep. Anyways. The toxic. Okay, I feel like our best bet is to go for blue because, yeah, I don't think they're I think they have 1 person at pit. No, they have 2. Bruh. Huh? Are you skunked? Okay. Obi has 1.5 win, 1.5k wins. Okay, you guys just might. Oh my god, these guys are roasting each other with the most trashes. What kind of roast is that? If blue and green are having a war, then well, I was killing those red kids, so I guess I'll just go for red. Yeah, red don't look like they're doing nothing good. Whoa! No. That's okay, but whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah, green team. If green team die, then blue team are just gonna go savage us. Okay, they're send their low. Guys, I feel like this is just I'm watching a comedy show in the chat right now. Yeah, mom, easy. Bruh, at least I have parents. A fatherless lol. Imagine being elder tree. Yeah, elder tree isn't. It's kind of underrated these days. Skill. My guy's sitting touching grass. What the hell? Okay. Okay, let's finish off red. Oh shoot. Okay, bro. Okay, you know what? This is a bit too toxic. Maybe a bit too toxic for you guys to watch. So I'm just gonna end it here. Yeah. Okay. See ya. Bye, YouTube.